Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to our channel. So in this video we are gonna make a delicious pizza. And guys, if you're watching our channel for the first time, welcome and make sure to subscribe to our channel below. This pizza can be done under 5 minutes and it tastes really amazing. So first grease a tin with some oil. Next, cut veggies into tiny pieces. So here I have taken half of capsicum and 1 onion. Chop them into small cubes. So we are done chopping. So next is to make an extreme pizza sauce. It needs only 2 ingredients to make. So combine 4 to 5 tablespoons of ketchup and 1 tablespoon of chili flakes in a bowl. Give it a nice stir and keep aside. Okay, let's cut our bread into small cubes. So here I have taken 6 to 7 slices of bread. I'm cutting them into small cubes. Now let's prepare white sauce. We call it as a different version of cheese. So in a pan, add 4 tablespoons of oil, 4 tablespoons of maida or all-purpose flour. Keep stirring, make sure there is no lumps. Cook for a while. Later, add 1 cup of milk. It's chilled milk. And guys, when you add milk, be careful. It's better to lower the flame. If it's hard for you, you can just switch off the flame. Then add milk, mix it, then turn on the flame. This looks good. Now add salt to taste. This looks absolutely perfect. Next, combine the ingredients in the greased tin. So we are just layering them. Like first we will add bread cubes, then white sauce, pizza sauce, cheese, like that. So we are adding bread cubes as the first layer. Next we are adding white sauce that we prepared before. Spread evenly. Now add pizza sauce. Spread uniformly. 2 to 3 cheese slices. So we should break it into pieces and add. And guys, if you're enjoying this video, give this video a big thumbs up. It's time to add our veggies. We'll add capsicum and onion. You can add any other veggies, absolutely you can add, and or something like toppings. Comment down and tell me what did you add as a topping. I'm adding small pieces of tandoori chicken, and I have already uploaded the video, the recipe. I'll give the link in the description box below. Next we are adding half teaspoon of chili flakes. You can increase or decrease the amount. It depends how spicy you want. Now bake this in our hot oven, preheated oven for 10 minutes. Wow, it looks absolutely tempting. to try this and tell me how it turns out. Make sure to post down your comments below. Take care guys, see you in the next video. Thank you.